Aside from having the distinct ticker symbol DRUG, Bright Minds Biosciences is gaining attention for its focus on developing highly selective 5-HT2 agonists for neurological and psychiatric disorders. The spotlight will shine brighter in the next few days as it will be presenting at the Piper Sandler 37th Annual Healthcare Conference on December 3rd at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time. After that, it'll take part in the 2025 American Epilepsy Society Annual Meeting during the Scientific Exhibit Session on December 7th from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Bright Minds platform revolves around highly selective serotonergic agonists that target key receptors in the brain. This approach has resulted in a rich pipeline of new chemical entities, NCEs, that could address significant neurological and psychiatric conditions like epilepsy, depression, and other central nervous system, CNS disorders. The company's board also gave off 4 sparkles while adding experts in Prader-Willi syndrome, PWS, to its scientific advisory board. The newly appointed members, Tanya Markovic, Jennifer L. Miller, Elizabeth Roof, and Teresa V. Strong, bring extensive expertise in PWS. PWS is a rare genetic disorder affecting approximately 1 in 15,000 live births and is characterized by an insatiable feeling of hunger known as hyperphagia. This chronic condition often leads to severe obesity, along with life-threatening health complications such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Neurobehavioral issues such as emotional dysregulation, compulsivity, and cognitive impairment are also common in individuals with PWS. Despite the significant impact of these symptoms on daily life, current treatments remain insufficient. These experts will guide the company as it progresses with its PWS program, particularly with the development of BMB-105, a new clinical candidate designed to address hyperphagia, excessive hunger, and behavioral and neuropsychiatric symptoms associated with PWS. Bright Minds is also advancing its promising treatment BMB-101, a novel 5-HT2 CGQ protein biased agonist developed using structure-based drug design. This compound is explicitly designed for chronic treatment in neurological disorders, particularly for conditions like drug-resistant epilepsy and PWS. BMB-101 works through a unique mechanism by exclusively engaging the GQ protein signaling pathway at the 5-HT2C receptor, which reduces the risk of tolerance, a common issue with long-term treatments in this space. Preclinical studies have shown that BMB-101 is effective in animal models of epilepsy, substance use disorders, aggression, binge eating, and cognitive decline, highlighting its potential for treating multiple neurological and psychiatric conditions. The company is currently conducting a Phase 2 study to evaluate BMB-101's efficacy in treating developmental and epileptic encephalopathies and absent seizures. In earlier Phase 1 clinical studies, BMB-101 was well tolerated, with no serious adverse events and only mild adverse effects in line with its serotonergic activity. The treatment demonstrated robust target engagement in preclinical studies, which is a promising indicator for its potential to provide sustained seizure relief and possibly improve cognition in certain patient populations. The NOVA study, a Phase 2A trial, will investigate BMB-101's ability to treat hyperphagia and associated behavioral symptoms in PWS patients. This double-blind, randomized trial will assess how BMB-101 impacts hyperphagia-related behaviors, with primary and secondary endpoints focused on symptom severity, safety, and tolerability. The study's goal is to determine whether BMB-101 can provide meaningful improvements in the lives of patients suffering from PWS. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.